I don't have to touch it or worry about it. Literally saving me hours of work every single day. It's amazing. First impression was actually really good, really simple. I was able to see that it would take someone who didn't know anything about Zapier and go through the basics, but then also had a section on the advanced. You took the progression really well. For someone who knew nothing about it, you took the progression really well and kind of was able to stack the learning on top of each other really nicely. Just as a testament to how this went, right after completing your course, I think it was the very next day, I went and I just created an 18-step Zap using webhooks, integrating PayPal as well as GiftBit. And I literally knew nothing about this like 48 hours before. The course is priced really well, and the quality and the content that you're getting, you can easily get that in your results within I would say within a month if you take your time. Easily. Well worth it. I've literally gotten my money's worth, and it's been a week, if that.